How to create new folder. I want to put output information of my program to a folder. If given folder does not exist, then the program should create a new folder with folder name as given in the program. Is this possible? If yes, please let me know how. Suppose I have given folder path like C:\program files \Alex and Alex folder doesn't exist, then program should create Alex folder and should put output information in the Alex folder.
Have you tried os.mkdir? You might also try this little code snippet. mkdir creates multiple levels of directories if needed.
You can create a folder with os.mkdirs and use os.path.exists to see if it already exists. If you're trying to make an installer, Windows Installer does a lot of work for you.
You probably want os.mkdir as it will create intermediate directories as well if needed.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.